In this video, I'm going to show you how to export IFC file from Revit. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to top left and click on File. And then from here, you want to go to Export, hover over it, and you'll see that when you click on it, it's going to open up a bunch of different options. This one, which should be the third one, is IFC, and it says Create IFC Files. So you simply want to click on this button here. It's going to pop it up like this. You first want to select your file name, and of course, where you want to save this. So I'm going to click on browse over here, and that's how you can change your destination. I'm gonna go to my downloads folder, and I'm going to leave it as project 1, and I'm gonna click on save. Now double check the save as type here is actually .ifc, so it's going to work for sure. Then in here you can select your export setup. You have a bunch of different ones. I'm just going to leave the in session setup on, which you can of course modify as well if you want to at any time. And then from here you can select the project to export. I'm going to pick this one and click on export. Now that's really all you have to do, and as you can see, it's going to start exporting, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.